Manarola is a soft yarn with beautiful and clear colors. The fine silk sheen acrylic is loosely spun but wonderfully easy to work with. The fascinating color changes in Manarola look great in many knitted and crocheted projects and is therefore an obvious choice for shawls, scarves, and other types of projects where the color shift can really stand out. The gradual color shift is exciting to knit and crochet with. However, this also means that the skeins appear differently one from another. Each skein weighs 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces, and they run for 240 meters, that's 262 yards. The yarn weight is light worsted DK weight, and you can machine wash this at 30 degrees Celsius or 86 Fahrenheit. We hope you like this video, so remember to hit that little like button and subscribe to our channel for more of this wonderful yarny content. We will see you in the next Behind the Yarn episode.